Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Babyfloki token. Now this is a brand new token on the Binance Smart Chain. It's not even available on PancakeSwap yet. Babyfloki, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. And it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 14th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Babyfloki token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Babyfloki is a meme coin on the BNB Smart Chain. They have a lot of tokens here, a max total supply here. That is a million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. Whatever's after quintillion, they have 246 of those. That is an insanely large amount of tokens. So it says only 2 holders on their BSC scan, so it's not even available on PancakeSwap or any central exchanges yet, and 18 decimal places on this token. You can follow their Telegram at Babyfloki Chat, but Floki has 2 eyes in it. Babyfloki Chat with 2 eyes on Telegram, and they have 1,404 members. 28 of them are online right now. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. If you want to learn more about the project, you can talk to other community members, ask questions, see updates on there. And this token, it was just announced they're getting a brand new central exchange listing starting March 14th at 14 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Babyfloki, all one word, and then you would simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So a whole bunch of tokens are being listed tomorrow on Mexc Global, a bunch of brand new token listings. So check out the other videos that I just uploaded today if you want to see what those are as well. So as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up on the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project. You will see their Twitter is at Babyfloki, but that also has 2 eyes in Floki because I'm sure there was already a Babyfloki Twitter out there. There's been many tokens with similar names. I do remember doing a video a long time ago called Babyfloki CEO, but I have not done a video just on a token named Babyfloki, so this is the first one. But I'm sure it's not the first Babyfloki token in existence, that's for sure. So on their Twitter it says, "Welcome to Babyfloki, a new exciting meme coin created to ensure sustainability and success in the cryptocurrency world." Then it has a link to their Telegram right there and their webpage, babyfloki.cc. And they have 11,300 Twitter followers already. And in their most recent tweet here, they just retweeted their Mexc Global announcement 2 hours ago. And they're having a Kickstarter event. So you can check that out on the Twitter here as well, where basically you vote with MX tokens and you could win airdrops. And there's a reward pool of 50,000 USDT. So check that event out going on their Twitter there. So Babyfloki is a new exciting cryptocurrency This young coin got its name in honor of the popular decentralized cryptocurrency Floki. Babyfloki represents the development and evolution of the original Floki concept. So on their webpage, they have Telegram, Twitter, tokenomics, partners, info, and frequently asked questions. Babyfloki is a unique cryptocurrency that supports and develops valuable features of blockchain technology. It is based on advanced blockchain tech, which ensures secure and anonymous transactions. Thanks to this, Babyfloki offers the users the possibility of complete freedom, as well as maintaining data confidentiality. So reliability you can count on, uniqueness and originality. Babyfloki cryptocurrency is a unique project with its own ecosystem and innovative features. It's fast and secure transactions. Transactions conducted with Babyfloki are processed instantly and secured through the use of advanced technology. It's got a variety of use cases, so Babyfloki can be used to make purchases, pay for services in online stores, as well as investment assets. Anonymity. So conducting transactions using Babyfloki allows you to remain anonymous and protect your personal data. And growing popularity, Babyfloki is one of the most promising cryptocurrencies on the market, which guarantees its active growth and increasing value. Now, whenever they say guarantees, always take that with a grain of salt, of course. There is no guarantees in the crypto world. Now, there is a huge supply of tokens. I wish they would tell me what the name is. I'll Google after this. What is after quintillion? I got to look that up because some of these tokens now are going pretty high in the illions, and this one's past quintillion here. So 35% of the tokens go to marketing, 20% go to central exchange listings like Mexc Global, 15% team, 12% development, 10% advisors, 8% rewards. So it says it will be listed here on Bitmart as well, eventually too. So that's where you'll be able to buy it. Now, Bitmart is not available in my country, but I can use Mexc Global, so maybe it's reversed in your country. All countries are different, so Mexc Global for sure, and then eventually Bitmart, it says in the frequently asked questions. So it's an open source peer-to-peer digital currency, just like a Dogecoin, just injected with some juice, it says. And yeah, and is getting launched tomorrow here on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.